always have a ruler. You want to kind of see how big you want the design. Like probably maybe like 1.5 is probably good height, and it doesn't really matter for the actual width. So you just size it, see the little inches.
Yep, there's grid mark. There's a grid there that tells you
Right,
inches.
and
It's
right
really
here.
small.
See that right there?
On the side, 1.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it shows right there.
Okay.
And then I just put it up there. No, it's that easy. So then you click to send, and then since it's an auto, you just put what you're going to do. And so this is vinyl glossy.
Oh, wow.
And then it should automatically set your needle accordingly.
Okay.
And that says it on
For
the back.
vinyl, like whatever.
Yes,
No,
for
it's
what
real.
material you
Vinyl.
click in.
Okay.
Okay, good to
Because
know.
it
Yes.
looks like a lot of options on there.
There are. There's like vinyl. So 651, it'll be vinyl glossy. 631 is like the matte color. Like it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not glossy.
Okay, so it'd be
And then
vinyl matte.
Vinyl matte. And I mean, and then like there's heat transfer.
That's for t-shirts.
Yeah,
Right.
there's
Right.
like heat
Okay.
transfer, like flocked and glitter and all that kind of.
I
I
have
use
all those options.
like for that it'd be like a regular heat transfer is smooth is what I use.
Oh, okay. You use heat transfer smooth. Okay.
And like for cardstock, if you're doing cardstock,
Oh yeah, they have.
What would you do
Lots
a
of-
cardstock for?
I did my door decoration.
Ah, yes. When you make a
Party
beautiful door.
decorations,
Parties, yes.
and gift cards, like gift tags. Okay.
Like, think about it for your minion party. You could have just cut those on your machine.
Yes.
The minions.
Oh,
You just download a minion on here, and then it'll cut the shape out.
Yeah, but there are some like
Valentine's.
Yes.
Valentines.
Okay.
Like for there are trademarks, so you can't. I can show y'all how to trace something.
Oh.
Okay.
There's a video.
So there
Yes.
you'll
Oh.
load it.
So then you load
On
it.
my blog.
Okay. So this
I'll
Put it on
with
YouTube
those
and then put
arrows.
links in
Yeah,
it.
you just
Yeah.
Oh,
follow it.
okay,
So that
great.
everybody can
And
have the
whenever you
videos.
set your machine, you just have to make sure
And
that
the color
little
up.
colors up on this one. Yes,
Oh, is it different on other ones?
yes. On heat transfer, it's a little bit the glossy part's down.
So to load, you just press the load button here, and
I
then
can do it again.
okay, unload,
Just put it where you line it
So
up with
put
the
it-
arrows.
Color down for heat transfer.
and then press load, and it feeds it in
I can show
automatically.
you one.
And she's
then-
doing it without the mat because you can use this vinyl because it has its own backing. You don't need to use the mat.
right, and just because it's the full length of the,
Yes. It has the little grips, so,
So
if
for like
it's
a
12
piece
inches.
of paper or cardstock, you would use the mat.
yes, any cards because it would shift.
Got it.
Right.
I mean, you technically could, but you could be cutting all the way through, and then it would be hitting your machine.
And you can put like fabric through here too, right?
So, yes, in theory, I have a fabric blade, and I tried it, and it didn't cut it cleanly enough to where I liked it personally.
So it is now cutting, and it's cutting out the name Taylor.
Is this going up somewhere?
Yeah, it is. Well, I do that so that I can reference back
I
to
need
it.
to stop peeking in.
Oh no, you're fine.
Okay,
I'm not that professional.
okay, I'm turning this on because I have to see.
Okay.
Then I usually just cut. Oh, I lost it.
And she does that so she saves the sheet then
Yeah, you don't.
for another project.
Believe me, it gets expensive. You
Yes.
don't want to
Mm-hmm.
waste. So then you can save that,
Cool.
and I even save
The small mark. Yep.
this part.
And that's when you would use the mat for a small piece like
Yes,
that.
you put it on the mat.
Yes. And make sure you take the glue off the mat because if you don't do that, it won't stick.
Yes.
So wait,
I
how
learned that.
far in did you put it?
The best way to.
I can show you again.
We learn from experience.
Just
Like,
push it here,
Yep.
like
You
where
just
it's,
line it up.
and I hold in the middle just because you don't want it to go wonky.
Oh, that's as far as you push it, and then
Yeah.
it'll take
And
then
it
just
takes it.
kinda- Perfect.
But I like that you hold it in
Got
the
it.
middle, so
Okay.
that way when it goes in,
It's
it's
like if you're not, if you hold it like over here, sometimes it'll, well, it did that time.
Oh, good tip though. You're right.
But-
I've done that and I've wondered
Sometimes
why
it'll,
it's doing
it's
that.
like wonky, so it's
Good tip.
better. All right, so now you have your design, and you just take off the first part, the top portion of your thing.
I know, those are always funny. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not.
Yes.
And
So my sister-in-law had these little like picky tools.
it's called
Yeah,
a weeding tool
I have it. I'm gonna use it in a second.
Yes.
I just don't for this part.
because she's good at doing this.
She's a pro.
Whereas when I first started, I'm weeding everything
So
with
this
that.
is a weeding
everything.
tool, and then like you want to get, you have to get the A and the O, obviously.
And did that come?
And it comes in their box.
Okay, so I like the Cricut one. It's sharper.
Oh, okay.
The other one was not as sharp, and it doesn't
Grab.
grab as well.
You're right.
And I just got that at
Cool.
Hobby Lobby. Mainly because I lost my other one.